Mustang Coupe.
Saxon.
That's a 1976 Saxon, guys. So
Not
we are
76, 1917.
What did I say?
76.
I said 1976?
Yeah.
Oh man, I need more coffee. What was it again? 1917? 1917 Saxon Model 85R Roadster. And they have placards that you can look and read. This is really, honest to God, it's a museum for people. I mean, you guys can come and visit.
It's half museum, half
Yeah,
consignment
you could come and,
sales.
Yeah, you can come and visit cars for sale, and you know, hey, if the price is right, anything's for sale, right, guys? All right, we are cruising down, and I'm gonna just.
These cars in the middle are for sale. Anything with the window sticker on the right side,
right,
are for sale.
There's so many cars here, guys. I am just gonna pan.
Part of the collection.
Oh, okay, anything with a plaque is his collection. But that Mustang's for sale, guys. I just make a note of the license plate, and then when you contact Ed, if you want to buy one of these cars. How do they get in touch with you, Ed, if they call in?
Easiest way is to call me at 610-207-6100. Very easy to remember. It's basically 610 on each side with a 207 in the middle.
Right.
610-207-6100.
Yep. So
that's my cell phone, and I pick it up all the time.
So Ed represents the Classic Auto Mall. He's a good guy, and take care of him. If you guys want one of these cars in here, contact him. Ask for him.
So here we are now. We're in the late 20s. There's a Pierce arrow. The thing that identifies the Pierces, they were the first ones to incorporate the headlight buckets.
They didn't even wipe the dust off it, did they? They're leaving the dirt and dust on these cars.
Right.
That's kind of interesting.
But see how the buckets for aerodynamics were incorporated into the fenders. Pierce was the first one to do that.
Buckets? Oh, you mean putting? Wait, backing it up again.
The headlamps.
I'm going to learn something new here. Wow, that's an annoying sound. Sorry, guys. It is what it is. All right, so say again, which car are we talking about? This one?
If you see this 26 Chevy here,
Okay.
the headlamps and cars before it were just independent on some sort of bracketry. Pierce was the first.
Oh, to put the headlights into the fenders.
They're
Got it.
incorporated into the fender in an aerodynamic fashion.
See it? Yeah, the fender comes up behind the headlight rather than floating out like it did before. And what year was that?
That's
1928.
28 Pierce.
First headlights that are incorporated into the body of the car. Now they're all incorporated into the cars, except for, no, it'd have to be a kit car or something. No, there's no production car that does that anymore.